sweet the sound, oh, that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. I was blind, oh, way, but now I see. Guide me, oh, go great Jehovah. Oh, pilgrim through.
I am Wakuma Bo Prim.
Oh, I am weak.
That's what I want Homia in Siso.
Thou art mighty, oh.
Makuma yame ya
Guide me,
oh, nice when you subru kakra.
Yeah, pilgrim through this.
Oh, nice we yama show.
I am weak, oh.
In fact, fefe by heart.
Mighty, oh.
Unya called to Debbie also Hunumasisi.
Oh, I don't know why. So, I don't know why care for me so. I don't know why that.
Yabba boss and come on pay.
I don't know.
Tom says, Ghana, Nipami and Sakosi and so Debbie Akumayadi hate him.
Hold me with thy powerful hand.
I can't for chess and no become Nipanachi accident.
Oh, great Jehovah, pilgrim through this.
I now boy out your home.
Guide me, oh.
Doctors and a barbecue.
Oh, great Jehovah, oh, pilgrim through this.
The budget doctor Shakumayadi won't send my organ higher back home. Yabako US and Swaka home. That's a boy Kumano home by. But to hospital cry now, Wakuma said trouble when a friend ECG. Say ECG for your own yin among one day.
I don't know why.
Watch me and answer you.
I don't know why care for me so. I don't know why that.
Me who will be a action daddy.
I don't know.
But you'll be a woo. I see a new be a chain.
I don't know.
Sa experience no at the same.
I don't know.
When there's a heart attack, you be pain.
Thine powerful hand help me say.
After family also mess about. Just tell us the experience. At the same.
I am weak. But thou art mighty.
Adom 106.3. DWASO NSEM. American premium furniture. Furniture, Papa Pani. Life. And you're correct, man. Mewo. That's a yard. That's a bin called as a bim review. Enterprise Life Assurance. Your advantage. Castor oil. It is more than just oil. It is liquid engineering. The Sorry original Italian perfume. Saint Najibabia. I'm in Scientific Clinic. Allah Shafi God is the healer. Lily sunflower oil. Tasty food. Happy family. Happy Heba mixture. Your true and authentic Heba medicine. For the phone. The future is exciting. Ready? That's sample for Jewaha. Master Charity in Swabidru. Trinity come up. That's a Jerry Kells. I'm about to Jerry Kells.
I am weak, but thou art mighty.
Oh, Pussy, Mammy Penny, your fancy. Or tire Jerry, no.
How sweet the sound.
What's the Rusating of you, part of it?
Save the rest.
We are, or say Genera, we are, or say
there be on what your Genera. Our Serus view at Tinga.
And
I was.
and you're credit.
I don't want Genera view.
A try, no, and they say.
I don't pay when you must say.
Are you activator?
Saturday 100% crofo be sheet ni wo pillowcases mo kro.
Ene de
almost anu omo ni rubber.
Ene de no papa nse be sheet.
Mo say mo e dobere.
No omo ni rubber. Say rubber e de shesu.
Wo de rubber ni shesu do anopa no wo mutu a. Ase mpunam.
Ye tu wa fichire.
I don't know why Jesus loved me.
Say your morning.
Good morning.
That's how you fine.
Oh, nyame adum kojo.
When will be when you come here?
Ma mu program bi pen.
Sir?
Na confirmatory doctors bi. Na ba no me briefing about.
Okay.
Akoma no. Ene nneoma ka akoma ne se di akoma no eye vulnerable. Say bronika se bi vulnerable. I want to say. Je say akoma na nka se won sa ye mobo. But enu su ne kura ne bedua nyina. He say wonim efri sabre no emu ane besi mitirimu a kojo me nsa to makoma so say tell them I promise on my honor national pledge no na me te say book kim asema doctor ba akon kan ne say akoma na o te say book kim sa no say jaibo a eno anu no
say jaibo anu no asema sa
say isi ya ka say book kim
say o ye no ma
no so mu bi mu ah yes ya yire bo wa no kra no e be 70-30 eti akoma no ho asem de ne kan din
akosha hu bi da
Ai.
Hey. But for doctor we are my friend say and good sight.
No.
It's not something or no your doctor because I am
the panel trim from asem from
na ote so na opre ultimu se obre sa kosi se ebedwo
sabra nsu gyan nchen so you helpless
won't be nya hwe o se bi clock obi dum clock kan
yes so eba sa no kwa du ba bi na omo pese nipa beben sanse se de ne ho mete no wanka sakra so mo obetimi epra ete se de nsuo fa obi no sanity
okay
it's not a good sight said they were down for the kind
that's it for daily graphic and you be bon tell
and ejabo bedu who watches the Watchman shows today e wo katafe to so duonu Kennedy akompre ko Japan o say ohinta hunu uja tata beja ho ani na kukuru nsu jaya
kika kan beja
ken nsu beja asemo ka kira nas no se anas editen krofo na ne yire fi se wo fa konfo yire na motie fa oto
ubu koto kwase anso a na yankopon hwe
oto by ne no ma change style ubu yi koto na aka ne to atwa
oya de boku zo boku nto ube dogi
asemo anas hwe mu ode ba ya eno akofa nsempi e dia bakrum ha no se no abi a ode ade na me
wa
control is different from control na ene kene Japan say wa wada je na bra Kansas City say no mete so invite you say sim na traffic ancho
ai
nti who watches the Watchman or say ne oyi ebinom si o wanumdwa ebisu o ahupre ebisu patapa ebisu kunkusi hwe nti ne ye bere se benya atofoma na abedwaku a ye pa wo mo for the creation of new regions say ye better mantam mako fufuru bi e de afire dada na e wo honum no aban ne hyebo na obaye no ebo hye no wona montonu za memu na kwakọ ibie ho e no sigisa manfo de mo ade srede ba beto edwa se de o memra krate no nipa na o mo wo sa mantam o mpese o mo te o mo ana se ye chem no o mo de ade srede ba e na se nipa no de ade srede na ko ena abedwaku a aban te yakotiti o manu asem asa abokiri asa akọ sa mantama hodo no makọwe nhwemu no mo keka ne ma bo mu titi bi firi mu no e se de akọwie and disemom de akwakoto o mampani nim se mantam ne betimi atema akomako nsia 6 new regions eti enche se de esu afiri enkola bremu a se Ghana 10 regions ebeko 16 regions kojo de wo mu no piak ena ene wo mo ne aban afro atena DWASO a wetwe na we yatwe na piaka ye kan wasem ye Public Interest and Accountability Committee a wo mo no aya na ye fa wo ye nya no ho sikasem na odo ani di akire yi papa o se aban fom kwan sanse sika efiri fa ngo bamu o se ye de ye empuntuduma akese no ase ye di kututu aka no ne ade a anhye de ntwa ye ne na so afo hwa ma ne bonsem so Mustafa Hamid doctor ababonte beka se piaku nkwa de omati
yankwa ahoma no so na fe ne Dr. Fred Steven Safo or a physician specialist at Confanoche Teaching Hospital. Na yene no and DWASO. Doc, what time can me channel pay?
But I'm just so more chance so.
Yeah, Joe so. But you be aboko there.
Adom be aboko. Now so.
About the other room, you want in Chabon Gracie tie. But you didn't say come see aboko.
Adom come see aboko.
Yo. Doc, young quantum so. Heart attack there.
Okay. They have a heart attack. Yakumano. As a muscle, a pump moja, a check moja no man the whole body. As a muscle no, answer the bit here, Jumano. He answered Yamuja. Oxygen, and near Jan will send a bay a bit in the Jumano. And in Tinina, a dimojano, a coacomano muscles, no, say a block order, say Mujan into me cobiema. And then their friend a heart attack. As the Mujan into me call muscles now are commanding, and they are commanding to me yen and the Sassam this year, and a friend is a heart attack. Now, often they say, Sisana, patients are not on back on the who say, Nakumano, but be a Chesteriano, and a yapa, I said you'll be a Gina Nakuma, so an answer to be Sana in the chest so into a very tight pain. It is also when now, if you want to mean who me years or so. Both are very breathless, and a friend heart attack.
Apart from no, Akumano Yadebu Cahobium, Yenim holding heart and in Kafo, dear Hina Keke Cahobium.
Okay, and she has a hole in heart, hypertension, and no matter what, it may affect the heart. No, but a heart attack, a very specific and unique, which refers to say. Mojana or think a comma source in tuning a Samojana call. Santino, a Mukwa intimacy. Acquire a stroke. Yare. Stroke yare, Mojan to mean call a genim. Into Baconia stroke. Heart attack, so Mojan to mean call a commanding into Baconia heart attack. It is over here, and normal risk factors a heart attack ebano. And no abuse a mass stroke over. Therefore, the war Mojabroso hypertension. Obi Sradie P when mojam cholesterol. Obi or a diabetes. Obi onom cigarettes, onom onsepi, otiminya heart attack. At the said the same thing as in stroke kubano. Entire no essay, but stroke no esi ya dream, and a heart attack no esi ya kumem.
Oh, okay. Yes, bibi so ho ye friend heart enlargement. Patrano so ye den.
Okay, the other heart enlargement akomano. I'm saying, a muscle, and see a receive mojana, pumping mojano. And to say muscle, no, say it's me a cassia because ever is our pressure, mojabroso. Not that be a command pumping mote, let's say pressure now, air pumping, or sure. I call it to be a body lifting. Oh, yeah, Juman cassia, or muscles there cassia, mebois. And to the same thing with the heart. Say, if for instance, a go mojabroso. Na intino pressure na wo intino e wo soro se or pompe akwani pompe mojana over the course of time in years no most akwani so ayeden ayekese and even heart enlargement no.
Is it that dangerous?
It is very dangerous. In fact, most people who have heart enlargement are the people who develop the heart attack. And heart attack because nipa pi omunim yare kron ntino esi kura na omfu so edia ne yam na ya edi bozo titifie no mantacid to enkoso sa no bozo nda kono once suddenly also etimi kuno because wakoma no ntimi nya adwuma moja ntimi nko body ni moja na nko body ni so a obey nya media
patron when etimi nya akoma yare
I think say or say trying to distinguish a normal pi akoma yare there are many conditions that it may affect akoma. One of which any can want them heart attack. But oshe your population Ghana ha the number one problem I also heart problems all across the country hypertension. Nipa P or hypertension, about 40% of adults or hypertension nipa pi enim because omo cause to nkochi sro omo nsa omo pressure.
Doc nyabo tramaye Ghana your population here ohoyi when adults no about 40% hypertensive.
Yes.
Wow, patcho to aso.
And as 40% no me hypertensive no. The brain some hypertension. Some to see. And if you say no here, okona juma oye ne bibia prekope efe wachare wo unko autopsy a unko twa na koma se na etie nkakraka mujabo so na say na koma. I don't say you bet you take anything from this conversation now. What we can take from it, Akumayari, the number one reason cause for Ghana high hypertension. And hypertension so and what drew a while between anum. Now so nipa pino. So said don't I say no bosom back bosom me no jai. Send what on. Mujabo so about necessary to a druswa. Obenoma confirm die and couple befro. Because a drone edema edited Mujabo so in 2 years and I say a managino. And people back to radio so now man for can say I wo Mujabo so be behume a bit twice here one time and no credit. So Mujabo they were two Mujabo so I say we are say her and Mujabo so we are saying Yankasa and so be this anyhow. And then I'll say public na away.
Doctor, obi exercise bebre. Obi betwe gina treadmill so 45 minutes, 1 hour. Football see obi gina field this one 90 minutes na so no kra na the extra time atoso. Nen kan for one we exercise pano. Ombetwe nya bi.
In fact, exercise is very, very good. Because so we exerciser who put demand on the heart to work. And once you put the demand on the heart to work, the heart begins to get in a better shape. And we recommend say obi bia enka de bia nka benya enka 20 to 30 minutes there. Enka de be exercise kakra. Then the be ya wakoma no ahoden bebam because wakoma no there is free and from your mother's womb till the time you die. Wakoma be ya jumasa. Into one exercise and keep it in good shape. So I don't think that footballers or those who exercise a lot are at any increased risk from dying. Rather, exercise is more beneficial. Exercise bois, you need piano.
Now, what be exercise be no a yam pass would tie yes, Bema Wakuma no I kese.
So make us say exercise on itself they are very good. Or say your cost exercise. Or your exercise Pia, Emakuma, and Yakase. The patron tells yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, clear reports this so Abia, Napi, play a big bubble, and all of a sudden, o collapse here. I know there's a special condition I man basa. I know it's very common. And to get into that notion, so we exercise, in fact, exercise helps. More beneficial.
Doc, then a see what my brabo manama sitting my bema who say, me wakumayare and na me benya kumayare.
Okay. And most of the time, say, Yakomano, say, the main problems are Boha or Yajmaka crabs or bread. So, Nante, say your first steps and all Bobby Pa, bones are bread. Or Yadeka crab, no bread. That's one of the commonest year. And number 2, Oboha ni na kuma a bonne pay as a regular. And also say one key symptom. I bet me the detective say, hey, Akume as a problem yabaho. But having said that, the number one we are able to find out so Akuma problem yabaho is to check the blood pressure. Go to the hospital and now go to a health center. Then check your pressure amount. Pressure no, was sore. Near Huниntem, near Bohomba, send a bear Akumano, a bit in Ayajuma, affable.
Patrosa Obi Bowa so one number drone, one costoni at Yina. Is it a sign, say, or Obinyakuma area and so will be?
Okay. And see, we have something called heart failure. Heart failure, so Akumano. intimi nya adwuma e failure ye wo nsensen so de bia behu. Number one of them is the mechanic. We adwuma kakra no abre. Ubon se na se timi tatai. Afi so timi bowa. Ana wa no se na se kan no obebo wa na bozo anum cough mixture wanum still enko according to antibiotics still enko. Fa wa no so bon se so nba kon so da ayaya na so da flat so da mpa so a. Ubon se wa no e worse obo wa no pa because so da ayasa na muja no nsuo abeta wa ha wanim na ma obo wa. Nba kon ti bo wa yi ahoro no bon se e bia moja kakra o. Ni nyina kire se wakoma no e fail. Now, when you heart failure, and those are some of the symptoms. But as I'm saying, no, yeah, and this ought to now do that stage, and some about hospital. What temperature? No, over to over hospital on them for routine checkup. So, doc, Mr. checking me pressure, mammy. Mammy, test be a friend of ECG. Na mention some akuma no, I want you man answer what didn't. We are saying the problem is here. Yeah, so I'm not on terms and say. We drew stage now, make us say, oh, boy, now we are horror, now, Nazi Tata. And that stage now is too advanced. You bet you about there, but I think, prevent and can be better than say, we drew that stage, no.
Yeah, mammy, more top pan, no woman, one, and a tongue, would you a jahu, a be Adrianina, or Swiffy Janus, you are not Sunday basic quahono, one would you a jahu chesano. And also to say, a banacomayari.
I know yeah research kakra and say omujina edia ejaho che no omu chances ne kosoro kakra so between heart problem but there's a practice baby ya me omuda some hot mat bi so and then omunya sa but so dire jaho so ye aduane no increase chances but not so much. In fact, if there's anything I'm going to say draw attention to make us draw attention to salt and chine because salt intake not taking it too much ema moja anase soapy eba mojenim ema wakoma no sutimi fail anase tatai enti instead of maybe focusing on obi omo mujina jahono, let's try and look at also that salt intake, a big problem.
And you say, I do.
Yes, and there, obey internet. Then so, I'll see dinner in moderation. Did they be a deck and say, Sabia, say, we are a Diane, and I say, why a Diane, say, we are Diane, we are. O what's not table known as so did ya. Men san chinin you send a Diane. If any table add the salt. Men fat and chinin and send word Diane, I know a room. In fact, that's the number one reason your pressure, a cholesterol. And that's also the number one reason among for your stroke.
Okay, doctor, but my musa will function. Yeah, Mamma Diane, and Chenantim.
Dinisa.
Mindinisa.
The part time.
And then you do.
There be, a Danny, you did to live. Oh, it's a wood is necessary, Danny, you and I say, wow. Oh, that's it. So they done said the next than new Kuma. When you them wow.
Sir, say, you share entry ye pa.
If I told you, or say, entry ye papa. In fact, before, you have number one problem is hypertension. Now, hypertension, one contributor, salt intake.
Okay. Doc, my emfa wonsi ha mo mo hwa akoma na ya na ye mpese be wisi mo time bre ye ni ye fremonti ma minja wonem na wotwe wo ye ni ye be sakasa
bye bye.
Miss bye bye. Dr. Fred Stevens, Safre, physician specialist at Confanochi Teaching Hospital. Dr. Joseph Yaboy, cardiologist or Wake Forest University Medical Center, our North Carolina, our United States of America. Doc, what time come and watch channel pay?
Yeah, me too.
Pacho, BBI Boko there.
BBI Boko.
Pacho say Obinya heart attack. Ebe take how long as nipa na wu?
So Obinya heart attack depend on the type of onion. Go for bebre omunya almost surviving, and in other words, almost heart attack no move into be on normal because or die one sorry, and now being an amount in it. The cocoshishin no, and I saw on to me, I mean, no, ain't a move, baby, no, or move, so when you heart attack. But the ye now when you heart attack, now would survive. The thing is that Wakomano, a move part to be on now, but Fakuna when you heart attack, no, a woo, and Yama Wakoma and there. Enti ubetimi di atena asase so de but no na won na won na tia tai wontimi homeye ne ne ma beba so enti ebi mutimi de tena se so hwe so yie after when you heart attack no but ni pa bebre no munya omu time omunya heart attack no
pacho wo hyehyɛ so a ɛyɛ sign sɛ wo benya heart attack.
One of the signs is a war into home now bush show. And you almost be back in the bush that time and not when you had a task. Now there was the when you say not said you demand him kind or had attack you can heart attack a MLP, but the air can once a man Casancasa and then before some your friend of my cardiac infarction and it said you know you walk in tinny. Ya command ya wontini akasie mensa eda ho a edi moja kɔ akoma no homa akoma no nya aduane di sere be ya ebo ebichi de bia no he enti se wonya halaka de wo mu ni se saa ntini ni ba ko asi enti se tia na je se akoma ni nya moja bi enti na se bibi nya moja bi ma ate se ewu he enti saa time no se saa agency the main thing I was feeling is that bush show won't mean home and hano go probably be mistakes or asthma there be won't mean home there be on your heart attack one way you'll be and fear.
Pacho obi a wada wonda emu na onya nyane ye no akoma yare betimi ache no e wonda ye nim wada
nkofo pi sana ye e bana super kope na sedem ni explain ye no intimacy on sorry be my dear no doubt me wana heart attack ne kuna na jono
entire no wakasa ye miensa ana na ba ko se bi ntimi nya adwuma mienu no ntimi mmoa ne be kun
it said your friend say wo your friend say be na ntimi miensa na supply by some parts of the heart wakoma no ntimi miensa ni nyina supply there be different miensa enti baako block a ho no mo no de ni be wu but ni na aka no eye adwuma ni neglected a dia supply ni baby or supply enti say baako block a sa na eye na just when you had attack wo baby ho e bi mo sutimi enya no wo miensa ni nyina usually no but most of the time omo move no baako ye kesin baako ye kesie pa da wakoma no so sa most of the time omo sorry cry no no na see it's cheaper na say wuntimi wakoma hyehyɛ be wan say wo.
Okay. I was for Dr. in the Dr. Joseph Boy, cardiologist at Wake Forest University Medical Center of North Carolina or United States of America. Doc, what dire condition mu obetumi nya akomayare?
I home betimi nya na air condition no any akomayare ne mfa ho bebia. And in other words, would air condition where just obenya a koko US ne bebia go for the air condition de bia akomayare and air condition fa akomayare mba de bi akomayare ye ka ho asem sisi an niam e de ba niam aye nim se wo a e ma wonya wo ye more prone to so obenya akomayare ye actually the nim kind wo high blood pressure and as wo diabetes and as wonum cigarette and as move around me bebre why kesie a wontimi nante wontimi move around and as wo cholesterol sa niam sana na wo a na just slowly no say me chow intini na da miensa na da wo na sa wo sa niam na I just say yakitwa niam di build up wo na yakitwa 20 all of a sudden a close one in emergency ntimi nkɔ bi ma na afei wanya heart attack na wawu anaasɛ a part of your heart.
Patrosa one no nsa bebre so ebetumi amonya akoma yare.
Yeah, it won't understand. Niema yenim says omo no nsa kakra bi nye bebre. Omo no nsa kakra bi no. Sometimes you protect your heart no kakra. But when them na bebre no there be enye oso nsa be omo no nsa bebre no etiminya high blood pressure. See na me can say high blood pressure no. Omutiminya heart attack. And no bebre aye one a cardiomyopathy anase akoma ayemre. Wakoma betimi ayemra unyenya heart attack. And I said war pump intimi pumping. Utimi no musasa na fe wakoma na yemre. Meanwhile no baby wakoma ni baby wuye but ayemre and no bemo wo fu aye kakaka na aswa sorry to say you didn't sue a Google name in our hands and Sunday Brady and yet Kakrabi a Bonita one Kakra a protective Wakuma, but only Sunday Brady sweating the area, bro. Yeah, all right.
Now, one numbi kran swear, obi numbi kra.
Advice teacher won't know cry for no because a Kakra protective heart, baby. The penny won't know cry. But yeah, who says, Omo no Kakra, especially Omo red wine, near man, Omo time heart attack, papa. But me can't tell me patients because woman sound when you start. Me catch me patients a moment no sakra.
Teacher, so when you red wine, be near confirm be a your own.
Every hair, sakra, moderation, and your friend moderation, one woman say, be more for that, or no half a glass of wine beside the hair. And no, instrument me, who's all more yen, almost time heart attack, papa.
Doc boy, you won you bi wo ho a wudi ana bibi wo ho apart from ensa ya kan san ho asem. Bibi wo ho a wudi ana bibi wo ho a wonum ko mu a ebetu ama wonya akoma yare.
It pa ha yen before pa ne enchine. O enchine. Enchine eye na yen nyina edi enchine. Na so enchine bebre ma wonya hypertension na make ya kan ho high blood pressure no. So hwe bebia wo wiase a before pension pint, before blood pressure be brave. The number one I was in now say yes, there was a wooden but I crave now was a woody because a wooden chinny be brave. I mean my blood pressure cosro, my blood pressure cosra, now when you man war on my bit mean a heart attack. And one Adriania and one way journey. You can't say journey and one way journey pea so and yet. Na nyina mo ne say bibia obeyia no be any moderation and in other words won di bibia bebre sia no ko fo di bi enema pi bo hun nipa no aye kakaka we kakaka na nam ho no bi be fi say bia wo ato na nam ho no so we time bomb na nam ho enche bia na yare diabetes aba na blood pressure aba na fe dia obo wan say we nya stroke na we nya heart attack na wo
Patra fe de nya botre na boy Edien ni die na menam na metenka mo widie mu a ekire se me benya akoma yare anasa me obi
should teach you and I kind of the bad yeah and say what one be more because okay so me nanti kakra na ma be and I say me yes me nanti pet na ma bra na so me yes me nanti pet na ma koma hye and so na me kind no intini ni bi ya block it nti we so call baby ne o doctor ho na o hwema and no ye number 1 number 2 ye bi mu ho no mo so be ba no na fe so na me kind no nyu bia na nya heart attack na o ebi mu survive
Dr. Joseph Yabua, a human article. At least a little red wine is good for you.
And you're okay, I said, I'm to my pefra.
No, name to my papa. No, now the name to my panel to my bonnet pa. Doctor
Saba, Doctor
Saba. Oh, Doctor Quaba, line it to coy.
And see, a move back on my kind. Oh, no, sorry, we had big a trade. I know a bread was so coffee. Wakoma, she said, was so coffee. And nobody my time, so we had a heart attack. What was sorry, no one nasty at that time. One now, nasty at nobody much of the Wakoma, no problem. The about what a one share. We do back and not a wound to me with that. I go down with you now, wound to me for me. Nini na ya science Wakoma no problem so one here which menya big one one here be.
Doc, yenim say exercise. I say a boakoma no. But football a bit field no so bobo we training out jina so boss ado we try with team no ye dey be hospital yes na come afili.
And no yeah and America no yeah different akomayari na wo pi you the fa command to say a dan awuti a dan awuti me your block e wo mo and e wo plumbing near su and na wall and e wo electricity and na wall and the wo for bi akoma wo blocks no but intimidate me kind pipe and in the moon that pipe no ho asem na ye ka sisi asese block a obetimi nya ya kuma yare ba kwa fen heart attack a obetimi ewu the same way in electricity na mo akuma mu sa electricity na mo akuma mu na wo say fa say de be ya akuma ni ebo e bi ebo sa nkofo mu bi wo no mo electricity no atochi and pay timi de ho almost no or the field which no ye or mono mutai or field so no or rules were 13 years and another were 15 years or bobo land or free toy no we and no yes akomaya we are yet and no yet the who I say electric wire in there was Wakumamun papa and you tell me what is stress to be better so now I am not touching that video. It's in my Wakumani book, intended no. If you must on my very, very thick. And it's a the mechanics cement and I walk my hair, a very, very thick, and that's a very thick side. And almost normal ties and electric problem. And Uncle for me a young or Bob boy and I say or college and I say or Bob soccer with the field so we all my area different. And no most of the time no electricity problem no more. And we are different from the Yakan entity. And the exercise the papa also be also we are with me exercise and exercise where you too much into the kuno there be. Exercise what I exercise here, my area, and I would I exercise, and I say, walk my area cry, even when I didn't and my will be a single crime now.
Patrol, stress, it's me, Marco, my area.
Stress, Marco, my area, stress here, number a very, very big thing in Marco, my area. Now, the really are not stress, Marco, my area says, to make catch also say, I remember, but I did back when man called for in akomayari blood pressure. So who was stress I dear back what you say, oh yeah, you was stress check or blood pressure and I won't say cosro. And the time I was stressing no blood pressure was into the same thing or blood pressure I was so sad wakuma here you must have video going there na and yes stress nya the papa man to be so timinya utimi a different one to
is it true that sex is good for the heart?
Sex is really good for the heart. Sex is to say exercise I can't want them. Your recommendation is that there was said which media and your friend is saying wakuma no I said the way in training no they was so team activities there be more come about 10 at least 30 minutes a day one with the American I said okay what talk as you na car no want to ukotu ana odi go see freeway ni so e be se wo kwan so but say bia utu ni kaka na pipe ni mu nyina die fine tema odi see freeway ni so an say sa na tie sex ye granted say ebi mu ho no manam so makoma no enye papa ni nti no mu nti menye but say uti me ya dia ya de boy enti ye papa say we sex boa
obi a ofi bebre ebetuma ba say yakoma problem ana
ofi a usually enye akoma ya there won baby yakoma ne ewo no yakoma etare ye fu baby ye didi ekogu no etare ho and sometimes yakoma doctors no etini ebetini afulu obeti obi ono ma na ezinyema na esho ni na ifi na from but if say na koma but sometimes no omunya koma yare na make us at intini ne block no sometimes no during the time na intini na block na wuntini home wa koma shisho no ebi mu fe intini no ba ko hono me da wa koma se ye da wa koma se no usually no say no na air block and we be more on Mombeba hospital no more fit but usually na afia and assign say o akoma ya dedi
but your cold sweat there
cold sweat your friend say on say yina ko jina wie mu sesi a obehun say o sweat o hu dey can hair cold sweat ye ujina baby a me fa so air condition mu ana so wo baby any say wo fifi na wo fifi very common ko for nya heart attack wo say o hon ma bo say hu na your friend why clammy wo bodo sa be fa no hono na ne why say dey nsu agu no hono ko hu ni na ye wo body no time wo nya heart attack no body ni react to heart attack nto be ba no mo say ebi mo wo do be hospital kwa no o ma ye new omo hu nyina ye said omo mi ho an nye bia mu no fever o fi ni dem na ba so me hu infect ni hu nyina eno ye during the time na wonya heart attack na bi mu ho no ma sa na ye ubu mu se wonya clam aye clefen wa ye clam ya na wonya cold sweat
Pacho obi asene message bi aba say okọ hospital onya heart problem okoya say ni moja no bibia aba ne moja might say stones blood stones so say bibisa menim say bia mo bibia tesa
menim hospital kra or koye na in generally no untimi form stones wo moja mo debi enye say stones ni e betimi form stones ba we form wo nyema body part be umoja man kasankasa je untimi stones ye si wo umoja mo ni say sometimes the umoja no nyema pii na wom protein wom and cells be women and sometimes na ebitini clam together especially if we be GVT be or what na pakosa utimi form umoja no bebotwa and blood vessel no so umoja ne botwa sana blood vessel ma no bitimi wo one way and maybe to mama when you heart attack and so bitimi nya dey be friend pulmonary embolism or bitimi wo afa. But in general, no, your information stones were intimate with every information stones.
Oh, okay. And then remember. Pacho, nipa ya bosu sa me ye tenten, me ye tietia, me ye tia, me ye kese, ye related to akumayare.
In general, no, and it's not related to akumayare cry. Said ya wotia no, nyama pii na ma wo yes de wo tie bi yes said the wo ma me no papa wa obe most of the time no wo and as o mo busi mo ma me na papa wa most butini aye tintin part of it no and a part of it is nutrition obe mo so bi o no ma ne ma me ne papa ye tia but tie ye o kotena be bi o nya dia ne papa die nti we ye tintin nti said ye wo be ye wo height no it depending on a lot of things. No, just we TTA, not to say we had a heart attack, and not we are thinking we heart attack. And no, the non 10 go for start your shit. And who say, compare almost 1 9 or more 8 years, ain't funny, heart attack bebree when we dey make I know just say we etia na just obinya heart attack but ye nim say omo etia etanya heart attack say omo yetente.
But what may KBB American Heart Foundation website to say about age. I say men age 45 or older and women age 55 or older are more likely to have a heart attack than are younger men and women.
Yes.
Is it correct?
It's correct, yes. And mema enya heart attack bebree chema kra. And remember, one of the risk factors, one of the Nema Emma who said, Omo heart attack war, because it be a hypertension, it be a diabetes. Move back on the way a Bema, so we a Bema, or chances are still being a heart attack in the year far more higher than your bar. But differences, no, a pack of pain set a man be drew, a bit free menopause. So by your menopause, or produce a near Mabia, a man and a man in your aircon in your menstruation in your money. Matania money to me protect him, and ma almost son enter your heart attack. But once that we tremble menopause, not that protection, the call. Well, 2 years, 10 years after a minor menopause, no, now say almost chances almost in your heart attack, now be able to say, my dear. Well, when you hair anything that was on your friend is okay, you put a more maybe woman protect your ma compensation Benjamin after 50, 55, you find 65. 60 you buy 65 and above on the chances of being a heart attack and your bear man in the because and your man in protecting no echo. And she say, we'll go hospitalized, me beside, we'll be seeing heart attack woman not in him. So we will be not wedi or your bear man wedi less than 40, 45 and when you had a attack. Sometimes in my indication say wabusiam into you show kakra chance will be at a bin in the busiam. The same way no we your bar na say wabusiam or baby in your heart attack will not only in your heart attack and son will say 55 years or bar you can say a friend premature heart attack. And no chance bear said you were a busiam man or more a busiam in a heart attack and Tisano be whom here show ye because in so wabusiam no heart attack woman was waiting in your heart attack.
Patro say obi wa kuma yade wo abusuoma is it likely so obi so abusuo betimi nya bi
na me explain it depended and I make and never be free na man ko nya heart attack no but your friend be family history na family history no ye obeba no baka say obi nya heart attack o mabusuo say am pa meaning say Ghana ha na ye tini huma am pa but abusuo no you say okay we nya heart attack o di if you say no nya you pay attention to me your friend premature heart attack says some because say you na we die ni yen no niam go be mama yenya problem but say obi obu obusema obi wo ho be maybe wo obusema wo nya heart attack and sana OD age 45 and that's oba nya heart attack and then OD age 55 your friend no you have a family history of premature heart disease no just say gene TB and say DNA bi wo mobusiema mamunya heart attack no sana so we go doctor will pay particular attention to you very well because when you say a running or family and see yes heart attack with me running or family do all my the only man say oh if you wait a man I know the best 35 and no more or the bet no or no that so I know what some call me shishim who are the crow most of the time no move stream or move and I don't know because heart attack so she shall who doctor na doctor ni bit miss you the who kwan ma because of she move at the frontier na ya fe was start treaty na fe ama aba for mama
meaning say a very complicated health problem but say me wo fie na bibisa to me and me hu bia bibisa to na empofrim ne den na sesa me ye and say metimi de na ba hospital
Yes, system no what having is different, but manonia a simple thing to say who am me wa manoni to see an aseminya, the ya me say me fa ha, na ma fa me wa aspirin, or aspirin ya wa haibi, na ma fa aspirin, tablet bakwana ma me wia na fe my friend ambulance went on me from hospital. Nti me we no me da ho na ambulance me be ba bu sha ma no any 5 minutes in an ambulance na ju ho mo be ba be hwe wa kidi no mo do aju hospital you do hospital abo che de ye wa de ye ne say ye fa ahoma ye de fa wuti ni sa ko wo heart ni se me ka che say ye wa ntimi kasia ni nsa ye ko hwe ntimi kra so problem no na fe ye wa de bi te say ye friend stent the Ashaponi, the DNT Mama, and I say, the DJI. Say, we are first saying found you on tem, and my yes, I did in Mawa. You will draw on say, beating the Mawa, the Mawa, and the Quack cook, I said, war piper, I see, I would draw a clear pipe in the Mama, you drew the mouth, and I drew the Mawa, that clear pipe in the Mukatra. Near the local hospital, now say, I said, a bit my yamau. I had no name and nti no me tiri se de obeye no ne se wo aspirin na obefedi na fe wa fe akwape hospital diako na oko hospital no ma na tie ombetini awofa wo hono mo so no ma awofa wo hono
doka no pay me das bibia se etwe be san fra obiam
no that's
so that's it. Dr. Joseph Yaboy, a cardiologist at Wake Forest University Medical Center, North Carolina, United States of America. Nti bomodi ana hwe wakoma ho yi why niema ya boboso no yese enchine no yenja idi sra pa wo ho ya akona ko check hypertension nso doctors Africa chine say Ghana has see no kase ye ya yenyini ohanchiche modua 40% of the total population hypertension na hyehyɛ ho nti ye ni na wako na watimi akɔhwɛ na wahunu na no nso ame how ebia wo diabetes bi wo ho a no nso so no na temtem so no wako hospital na ade exercise no stress chiwa esia no nso timi ma wunya akomayare ni bi se mo amuni wine no no wanom kakra wan kan bibiri men no mmro ose kakra wo dia confirm yes ho ana doctor na say sex so koda na ekosuku ade enchin timi kan njam ujam kapyopoi huye no so doctor na say papa say mo akoma na timi bo ententem eno say bitimi say Felix bitimi di one dance papa doctor ne kai said abrante isi huriye na ni age timi say oh abrante oh me hu say asan ne DJ wana so hurihuri asan kra do di pie ba ha hey abrante sam mo ho odin o mama mu ebro na munya nkokọ we na watwa pa wosema du amiensa akoma no ho asem no hia pa ko say yete o mem hana da bia we ye de eco hospitals o nipa nson every day 7 team kumuni panson makoma team every day nipa nson okrum ha de anodin te yemomodi anafe yen shen so sa na mfa how kase bia mfa mesensen yekom Israel loans DBS roofing sheets Hunchun capsules Franco Trading Enterprise Vitamilk High Five Chocomalt one minute so asere yare fa be so ebre wene anopay yemfa omonkrato yeba yebetos